Yeah, there's a song that I wrote for you. Yeah, it go in a perfect world, it's just me and you. Ay, but girl, let's just wait till this party through. Yeah, cause I feel great, I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I got this fruit punch in my cup. Night just getting started, I'm already doing too much. Reach down in my pocket, my wallet missing, boy, tighten up. Party all on the rooftop, might just fall off if I jump. I don't know about you, still got this fruit punch in my cup. Life's just getting started, I'm already doing too much. Reach down in my pocket, found my wallet, hey, that's what's up. Party top for the world, okay,
Going over the physical features, the speaker genuinely looks good. DAWs in the past have used plastics on their products, but it's always been tastefully done without looking cheap. The front grille is aluminum, and the top accent piece made of brushed metal looks and feels legitimate. Rotating to the rear, it's all plastic, and although it looks fine, I notice it might not take abrasion well. Having this rub against other hard surfaces has shown not scratches, but marks in general. If you're particular about aesthetics, keep this in mind. Now, buttons are on your screen. Please feel free to pause the video if you need to. All buttons are very tactile, offering clicky feedback as heard here. And one thing that absolutely threw me off, why on earth did they use the Windows alert sound? Get with the program, be original for God's sakes. But looking at the M button, you can toggle this speaker to use Bluetooth, a physical 3.5mm auxiliary cable, or a micro SD card, which you can stick in from the rear. Now, regarding Bluetooth range, DAWs uses Bluetooth 4.0. Testing this with two of my phones here, I was able to achieve a crazy distance of 100 linear feet with the iPhone 8 Plus, and testing this on my older phone, the LG V10, I was able to get 84 linear feet before the signal started to crackle and cut out. So that's basically it for this speaker. It's very simple, straight to the point, no waterproofing, no drop resistance, no NFC, doubling up, no extra bass or a speakerphone option, and I'm perfectly fine with that as long as it plays good audio, and of course comes in at a reasonable price. Now, one feature that is missing is a true battery level indicator. The light only glows blue when it has enough power and flashes red when it's low. I don't know if there's 50% remaining, 80%, who knows. And regarding battery performance, DAWs claims up to 10 hours of playtime per their Amazon page, with my test from a full battery to dead playing at 50% volume. I got 8 hours and 31 minutes of playback time. To recharge the speaker, it had taken me 2 hours and 45 minutes. So to the moment you've been waiting for, the audio test, be sure to use headphones or earphones, as I'll be using binaural microphones. My test will give you the best 3D audio listening experience versus my other professional microphones I have here at the office. It's priced at $90 at the time of this review. As always, I'll place my affiliate links in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.